students, welcome to biology practical. Question number 4, spot C, emasculation. Okay, the weightage of this spot C question is of 1 mark. First one is emasculation. See, first of all, what do you mean by emasculation? How you will identify this emasculation? If this type of chart is kept in your exam, okay, how you will identify that this spot is of emasculation? When you see with the help of forceps or with the help of scissor, anthers are removed, it means this is the spotting of emasculation. Okay, so your first point will be of identification. You have to identify when you see with the help of forceps the anthers are removed or the male part is getting removed, that means it is of emasculation. So your first point will be the given spotting is of emasculation. Here you have identified correctly and you will get half mark for identification. Now you have to write comments. Now it is the step of hybridization experiment. In hybridization we are doing these three processes, that is emasculation, bagging and tagging. So this is the first step of hybridization. You have to keep this in mind. Then emasculation means what? You have to describe what is the exact meaning of emasculation. See, emasculation is the process of removal of anther before anthesis. Before anthesis means before pollen grains get mature, the anthers are removed. So that if what will happen if we are getting late, the anthers will get mature, and the anthers means the pollen grains will become mature, and there is the chances that pollen grain may fall on the stigma of this flower only. So in order to avoid this, before the pollen grains get mature, the anthers are only removed. So we are using the word anther. Emasculation is the process of removal of anthers before anthesis. Now, it is done to prevent self-pollination. Self-pollination means just now I told you, if we are not removing this anthers, what will happen once the pollen grain will become mature, there is the chances that the pollen grain will fall here on the stigma only and the pollination can take place. So in order to avoid the self-pollination, the anthers are removed or removed before time only, and it can be done with the help of forceps or with the help of scissor. Okay, so this is all about emasculation. You should know what is the meaning of emasculation. Whenever you see the chart that pollen grains are getting removed, means it is emasculation. Okay, now proceeding towards next, that is spot C, bagging. Bagging means to put bag. See, this is a plant, and after doing emasculation, bag is put. Bag it may be of paper, it may be polythene bag. Okay, so second is you have to identify the second spotting, that is bagging. Okay, when you see the chart, on the chart if you see some bag, paper or polythene bag is put on the plant, it means it is bagging. So this will be your first point of identification. What you will write in first point, the given spotting is of bagging. Here you will get half mark if you identified correctly. Okay. Then it is the second step of hybridization. Just now I told you hybridization includes three steps: emasculation, bagging and tagging. So this is the second step, or this is one of the step of hybridization. What is bagging? You can write it. What is bagging? Bagging is nothing but to cover the emasculated flower. The flower which we have emasculated. Female flower we have removed anthers. Okay, means from the bisexual flowers, when we have removed anther, means we have made that flower as female flower. Okay, only stigma is there, only gynoecium is there. So in order to prevent the settling of unwanted pollen grain, what we have to do for hybridization, we want to put the pollen grain of our desired type only. So in order to avoid the entry or the settlement of pollen grain on the stigma, what we are doing, we are just covering that emasculated flower. Okay, that female flower, it is done only with the female flower, because we have made bisexual flower, we have converted bisexual flower into female flower by the process of emasculation. So here what we are doing, we are just protecting the female flower from settlement of unwanted pollen grain. Okay, so here we have completed bagging. Once you see the bag or the cover is there on the plant, you will write the first point, that is the given spotting is of bagging. Second, you will write it is the step of hybridization. Third, why we are doing or what is this bagging? Bagging is nothing but to cover the female or emasculated flower with the help of paper bag or polythene bag is called as bagging. Why we are doing this bagging? In order to avoid cross pollination, so that other pollen grains should not come, or undesired pollen grain should not come and settle on the surface of emasculated flower. Okay, and it is done only in case of female flower, or you can say emasculated flower. So here we have studied about bagging. Now the last one is tagging. Last one is tagging here. Now see what happens in tagging. Once you see, if you see tag is there on the plant, if you see tag is there on the plant, easily you can identify that the given spotting is of tagging. Again, it is the third step of hybridization. First step is emasculation, second step is bagging, and third step is tagging. Why we are doing, actually what we are doing in tagging? In tagging, we are just putting the tag on the plant. Why we are putting this tag on the plant? It is done to write the details about the experiment. When the experiment has done, what is the last day of emasculation, when we have done emasculation, when we have done bagging, when we allow the cross pollination to take place, means all the detail regarding this practical or experiment, when we are writing on this tag, that process is called as tagging. So tagging is the last spotting. When you see tag on the plant, it means the given spotting is of tagging. It is the step of hybridization. First step is emasculation, second is bagging, third one is tagging. In tagging, you have to just put, or the tag is put on the plant. This tag is nothing but it contains all the details regarding the experiment, that is the date of emasculation, date of bagging, date of cross pollination, or everything, all the information regarding experiment. So this is nothing but we have completed here tagging.